Good evening, my name is Luz Dario Espina. I live in the city of Bogota. I live with my mother and my sister. We have a dog. Now I will tell you my holidays. In January, I made a trip with my family to Mongui in Boyacá. Mongui is a Colombian municipality located in the province of Sogamuxi in the department of Boyacá. It has stood out as the most beautiful city of Boyacá and Colombia. First, I will tell you some tricks for tourists. Mongui's climate is cold, so its residents are dressed in ruanas. It is advisable to wear a jacket, scarf, and gloves. It is very important to find a hotel with a fireplace to calm down cold. The places to visit are many. Mongui is recognized as the population manufacturer of balloons. You can see how they are made. Then you can walk to the Calicanto Beach. This engineer work, built in the 17th century, is a reflection of the time of the colony in the center of Colombia and served to transport the stone with which the Basilica of Our Lady of Mongui was erected. Finally, you can get to know the Páramo of Osetán. Takes the road to the moor that starts behind the Basilica and around 3 hours you arrive at Páramo. Okay, finally, if you plan on going to Mongui, you should check the transportation price and hotels once you are there. Do not forget not to leave trash and not contaminate water sources. It's all. Bye bye.